Channel, another day in beautiful Kingston, Jamaica. I know it's been a while. Happy New Year, because I'm not seeing from New Year's start. I haven't seen y'all in months. I am so inconsistent with this thing. I just. But anyways, we're gonna be going on the road today. A nice little road trip, a nice little flex. Just follow back on me. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow.
Alright, so we're about to see if we can enter the falls.
Know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we got?
So I'm trying to get up to the top of the falls. By the way, welcome to Waterfalls, guys. I did not introduce y'all properly. I also don't know if you can hear me, so I'm gonna be shouting like crazy. Walking through a whole lot of mud. Oh shit, hold on.
Like we're gonna drown, but we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
So we are about an hour and a half into this road trip. I don't know, I wasn't counting at all. I just gave you a random number. And we stopped at Starbucks to get coffee, because this uptown guy, you know, he had to get his pistachio mocha, you know what I'm saying? So on the way to meet one more person who is a friend of the channel. Y'all have seen her before. So she's not brand new. He's new. This is Michael, by the way. Not Michael Jackson, no, different one. I don't think this one dances at all. Like,
No, this one doesn't.
this one does not dance.
I may sing.
He may sing, but we're gonna meet one more person, and then we're gonna get this show on the road. So hopefully we get into some fun things today. I haven't seen y'all in months, so like, share, and subscribe as you always do. And more great content coming for the rest of the year. This is a iced pistachio mocha. I think that's what it's called. It's okay. I don't love it, but I like it, you know? Plus they spelled my name right, so can't say the same for some people. Cause like, bro, who is Mikhail, bro?
Not me.
I feel like they purposely get your name wrong. You know what I'm saying?
I think so too. No one can spell it right now.
No, I mean Michael. It's not that hard.
Trust me, you'd be surprised. Person spell it wrong.
Yeah. ain't a problem. There's a mosquito in the car that we're trying to kill. And these two just abandoned the road trip to kill a mosquito. That's basically where we are in life right now. Well, don't hit each other. Excuse me for a second.
Give me 3. I just think they have little pockets around here.
But there's no reason for them to even be here though.
Never tell them about one lizard, then like 50 mosquitoes, to be honest with you.
You are disrespectful.
So we just went on a mosquito murder mission, the Triple M. Today the gang name is ATM, you know, automated teller machine, or like you trade a Michael.
I just realized how cool.
And-
I was gonna say Tom, but that's so much cooler.
Tom! Nah,
This is like I come first.
this is the ATM crew, you know what I'm saying?
Fuck sad, ATM, I'm not a money.
Brook.
That nice week, that road that's doing. May I try for that road now?
You can't make your MP do something?
Who's the MP again?
Who's your MP?
That's a very good
She
question.
don't know.
She has no clue.
I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. The MP is, I think it's, no, that's the mayor.
She don't remember.
So we're heading to get her breakfast because she decided to not
Breakfast
not-
at
Decided
Minister
breakfast-
1.
breakfast
Minister
at
1.
Minister 1.
Yeah, Minister 1.
This side of disaster word.
We're gonna link you back when we get on a good road, you see me? Yeah.
So you're not recovered.
Just give us some time. I'm a bit slow. You said you were about to give her some choice words. Some Caribbean choice words. What brand?
This is not sponsored.
No,
This
please,
is not.
please give us money. Zine?
No, seriously, like, please give us money. If you see this, please.
Caribbean
My
choice.
My Instagram is Chamita. It's open, free for DM.
Just send her about 10 pack of sausage.
You feel me?
500,000.
We're about we're marketers out
there we
here,
go.
okay?
We are marketers by profession. Yes, we are.
Yeah. Okay.
We are at Burger King in the drive-thru.
I do not hate you.
I don't know if y'all can see. Waiting for.
I do not hate you.
You want to kill
As
me.
a matter of fact,
You want
I
to
think I
murder
love you
me.
way too much.
You want just
No,
you are
do
done with
that.
me. Oh, okay, guys.
Oh, hey.
I didn't mean it. And I was like,
All right, welcome to Montego Bay, Jamaica. We are at Mobay Kart World. So we're gonna be doing some, boy, me tangle up, mercy Jesus. We're gonna be doing some go-karting today. Somebody's ass getting whooped, and it might be mine.
you're gonna lose.
This is our designated driver,
You're gonna lose.
so you know he might win. I'm just saying, but who knows? We'll see. All right, so Mobay Kart World on the road, see? Yeah, Michael around there, so. Yeah. Be confused. Go. So round one goes to this guy because I let him win. We got him next time. I ain't gonna do that next time. It's fine.
Because I know he did some shit.
So when y'all leveled up, I was like, all
Okay,
right, let
and
me
then
go.
why would you do that
No, but no,
anyway?
stop.
Why would you?
So after an amazing day of road tripping and go-karting, we finished the day at Pier 1 with some beautiful people. We're gonna have some food. We're gonna Watch the planes come in and talk about life. Can't sit with us.
Can't sit with it.
Cannot sit with us.
Stand though.
You can stand 6 feet away because, you know, COVID. Can't sit with us. We'll check you on the food forward.